They say perfection is achieved not when there is nothing more to add, but when there is nothing left to take away. But a machine with a 9,000 RPM redline was never meant to just cruise. To unlock its true potential, the civilian shell had to be shattered, forging new armor in the dark. But a weapon this sharp demands a proper battlefield, one measured in fractions of a second. They say to defeat your rivals, you must transcend them, to go where limits are forgotten. It doesn't just adapt to the shadows, it becomes the light. From the ancient passes back to the neon grid, it answers to me. From the ancient passes back to the neon grid, it answers to me. But the underground is just a playground. True legends are forged at the absolute limit. At the absolute limit, the armor strips away, leaving only the pure, high-revving soul of a legend. Because a machine this perfect doesn't just conquer the world, it reflects it.